Okay, let's start with the insert tab. The first option under the insert tab is cover page. What is cover page? Cover page is the title page of our file or report, whatever we are creating. Okay, to how to add the cover page to your document, you need to click here on the cover page option. After this, you can select any of the available cover pages from here. Okay, for example, you wanted to add this page as a cover page for your document. Okay, so what you need to write here, you will write here your document title. For example, the MS Word is my document title. Sorry, uh, we can write MS Office as a document title, and I wanted to add MS Word as the document subtitle. Okay, if you wanted to write the abstract of the document, you can write here, okay, your name and on which date you are going to submit this project or this report. You can mention that particular date here. For example, if after some time you realize that you don't want this cover page, you wanted to change this cover page with any another page available in the list, so you can go to the cover page. You can select any another cover page which you think is suitable as per your requirement. You can go with that. For example, still you wanted to change it, you can go, you can search for the other options in the cover page option, which option is suitable as per your requirement. You can go with that particular option. For example, this, if you think this suits you, you can go with this particular page. Okay, then for example, you have written something on your page. Okay, what I have written here is equal to RAND. What is the meaning of is equal to RAND? It is used to define predefined paragraphs to your document, so that you can practice the formatting on those paragraphs. So I'm pressing enter. After this, you can see some predefined paragraphs has been appeared on my screen. Now I wanted to add a blank page. So how to add a blank page in your document? First of all, put your control where you wanted to add blank page. For example, I wanted to add blank page between the title page and between this page. So I'm clicking here. My cursor is here. I'm clicking here on the blank page option. What will happen now? It has added one blank page to my document. Okay, what is the another way? You can press enter, and move, it will move you to the next page and one blank page will be added. The another option available with us is page break. What is the meaning of page break? For example, you wanted to shift all the data after this particular paragraph to another page. This particular thing is known as page break. You can put your cursor here, after which you wanted to shift your data to the another document, and you can click on page break. So what it has done, it has shifted all your data to another page. Got it? So what is the another way to do the page break? It is put your cursor from where you wanted to break the page. After this, you can press Control plus enter. After this, you can press Control plus enter. Your complete data will be shifted to the another page. I hope this is clear to everyone.